Welcome to this tutorial on the Narrative Assistant module of the GameMaster AI plugin suite. Today we'll be creating the World Bible of the plugin of our story of the story we have been working on throughout this tutorial series on the Narrative Assistant module. So we have given the settings, the basic brief about the settings here. And now let's click on Generate World Bible. Here it is, the World Bible. So this is about it. Where, that's there all to it. We'll be saving add to canon to save the generation if you like it, and here it will appear. This is the World Bible, load rules, and so on. So I'll be copying and pasting this to the tutorial video. Thanks for being part of this tutorial. Thank you.